Hello, I'm Helen Luther. I'm Chairman of Fowey Hospital Welfare Committee.
Helen, you have attended today's meeting and workshops, which are the start of some discussions around Fowey Community Hospital and what Fowey and its close neighbours needs. What have you made of the discussions and conversations that have been had?
I think they've been very good and wide-reaching conversations. I am frustrated that these are conversations that Fowey has been having with various groups for some 18 months, and we seem to be going over the same material.
So what would you like to see happen next?
I'd like a little more doing and a little less talking. I understand that there are processes you have to go through and to be seen to be going through the various motions. I understand that, but the timeline just seems to get moved on and on and on. And really, Fowey is desperate. Fowey residents are desperate for some care provision to be put in place. And it is time for action, not just words.
And it is about getting it right as well, isn't
yes.
it? Yeah. Yeah. And what is the thing that you'll take away from today?
That we need to be far-reaching and not just think in the narrow constraints of a cottage hospital, but what is the broader health care that we can be providing for the very varied community that Fowey covers.